Hey y'all. I know y'all missed me because I missed y'all, so y'all ain't gotta say it in the comments. We missed each other. But I just wanted to come with a little mini vlog for y'all today. All I was doing this day was going with my nail tech out so we could create some content. So we started out at Walmart because I saw this cool idea on another content creators page. I don't remember who, but she went and got roses and just passed them out with her business cards to girls. And I was like, that's smart as fuck. Houston is big. I'm finna go outside and see what the bitches at so I can get some new clients. So here we are, just taking a little mosey through Walmart. I didn't know this Walmart that well, so I didn't know what the flowers was and stuff. We was asking questions, but then we found them out in the deli section, and we were just trying to see which ones we wanted. Here we are trying to navigate through Walmart. We was hungry too, so we was looking at shit at the deli. That's why we going so slow, but that's neither here nor there. We getting to the flowers, y'all. Honestly, picking the flowers was a little harder than I thought because I didn't know what exactly I wanted or what I was looking for, what colors, any of that kind of stuff. But I was like, you can't go wrong with red roses, pink roses. So when I saw these, I was like, yeah, I gotta get these. So I ended up getting these pink ones too, and we got the hell out of Walmart. So then me and my nail tech headed to my shop so I could do her makeup. She had already done a set of nails on me, so we were kind of just promoting each other's brands. I had done my makeup too, but it was too fucking hot. Here's my nail tech, Jordan, at Dope Collection. Go follow her. So after that, we went to her house so we could both change clothes and do a little hookah because we hookah hoes. She was on FaceTime with her mom, and her mom wanted to be on the vlog, so we was turning her mama up. She was turning us up. We was getting ready for the day. It was a Friday, and we was hyped. So then we headed to Walgreens before we actually went to the destination we were trying to go to so that we could get these printouts that we had that had our QR codes on them to hand out to the girlies. I was so in love with my card. So right now we were just walking to this local restaurant. It's called Coney Connection. It's right next to the Walgreens. We usually put our cards there. So we went to go give them some. Then we got back in the car to head to the mall. So like I said, this was on a Friday. We were headed to Memorial City Mall, which is like one of the second biggest malls in Houston. It's usually really popping, but this was a Friday, so it was kind of slow because it was really early. I think it was like 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This is me running into the doors at Macy's, and now it's time to really get it cracking. So when we decided to go to this mall, we didn't have anything in particular like planned or anything. We were just looking for the girlies that looked happy, the pretty girls that was smiling, so we can hand them some roses and some cards. Because I ain't gonna lie, some of the girls was all scrunched up face and all that, and I was like, yeah, we ain't giving them to her. So this is us just walking through Macy's. This mall is pretty big, so I'm gonna kind of, fast forward through some of it. So here we were about to start heading to the stores, but Jordan's feet were hurting. So we had to take a little stop so she could fix her shoes. They was cute, but my girl feet was crying. So we had to stop right here next to these people so my girl could fix her shoes. So we had a 5-minute intermission. And can y'all believe she was trying to tell me right there to not put this on the vlog? Girl, it's going on the vlog. Now, once my girl fixed her shoes, we was back in the game and we started walking. And as soon as we started walking, we started coming into the girlies. This was the first girl that we came across. She was so nice. She was so sweet. And we decided to go into Sephora. Sephora was so dead. It was nobody in Sephora, as y'all can see. It might have been 10 people in the store. So I was like, yeah, this is a bust. Let's go. So we kept on walking. We went through the food court. We met a bunch of nice people. We got a couple samples. All that. Y'all about to see. It was cool. It was cute. So this was the next to the ladies that we met. They were so cool. They were cool with being on camera. So I put them on the vlog. And then here go Jordan, y'all get a sample. So the next group of ladies, one of them, I did have to cut the camera off, but she was like, oh, please don't put me on there because I'm supposed to be at work. But all of them were so nice. We met so many ladies. So after that, we took a little break. We started to see how many followers we were getting while we were walking through. And it was a plus. It was a win. So this is me recording Jordan. She was doing a giveaway. So we were just doing a little content in the mall. And then we got back in the car. So after this, we decided to go to a few of the shops in Houston that sell like club clothes and club attire because the girls be outside on the weekend, and that's the girlies that we wanted. So we stopped by Justin, which this is just like a little store, a clothing store in Houston. It's a 2-story little shop, and it has a bunch of like accessories, shoes, club fits, top fits, outfits, all that good stuff. So we went in here because we was like, yeah, we want the girls to be outside because that's the girls that's gonna get their makeup and their nails done. So because it was still kind of early, it wasn't as many people in there, but this is me just kind of showing y'all the store. We did meet a few people in there and some of the workers in the store, and we gave them our information, but it wasn't as many people as we were like wanting. So we figured we would come back at the next day, which would have been the Saturday, between clients and just kind of, see who we could find because this store is really close to the shop that we work at. So our next stop was Trim Mall, which is another shopping center in Houston. It's pretty big. It's pretty similar to Justin, which is the other store we just left out of, but it's on Westheimer, which is a really busy street in Houston. It's the same street where the Galleria Mall is. So we knew it would kind of have some girls in there. Now, it did take us a minute to find the girls in Trim Mall, but when we did, it was cool. But it took us a while to find the girlies in Trim Mall. It was like, baby, what's going on? Where the girls at? These girls, they were so nice and sweet. They wanted to be on the video. They was a vibe, I'm not gonna lie. They were really, really sweet. They had a good personality. My hand was moving all around because I was in between showing them my nails and giving flyers and all that kind of stuff. But it was a vibe, though, not gonna lie. They were real cool. Now, once we did start seeing the girlies was popping out from the left, from the right. I couldn't keep up. It was so many cute ladies in Trim Mall. So here I am giving another one a card, giving them the flowers. It was some cute girlies in Trim Mall, not gonna lie. Trim Mall was way better than Justin. And I just know if it was a Saturday, it would have been, a lot more people in there. We probably would have met more girls. But overall, I feel like we did do pretty good. I know both of us got maybe about 20 followers just going around and passing out the flowers and the cards. So overall, I feel like it was a dub. Like, I would have do it again. So once we left Trim Mall, we decided to go to Subway because we was hungry, we was tired, our feet was hurting. We had only 3 roses left, so we felt like it was pretty productive, and we went on and went home because it was only 2 o'clock, but it was 109 degrees this day in Texas, and I was ready to go home. But overall, I feel like the day went really good. We got to network with some people in the mall. We got to meet a lot of girls, put the face with the name to some of our stuff because some of the girls that we met already followed us or had heard of us before. So it was really good. I definitely would do it again. I know we were planning on doing it again the next day. So look out. There might be a part 2 to this vlog. And as y'all can see, everywhere in Houston takes 45 minutes to get there. So if you're thinking about moving to Houston, don't do it. But I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be putting out more content. I know I've been slipping, but y'all, just stay with your girl, okay? But yeah, that's all I got for today, y'all. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.